In this quick video, I am going to show you how to delete Gmail account from Android phone. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel to help me reach 1000 subscribers. Deleting Google account is really easy. For that, open Settings app in your mobile. Once you open it, scroll down here and you will find an option of Accounts and Sync. And now we need to click on Google. Once you click on it, you will see all of the Google accounts available on your device. So we need to choose the Google account which you want to remove from your mobile. So I want to remove this account from my mobile, so I need to select it. And if you remove this Google account, all of the data which is synced with your account will also be deleted from your device, like calendar, Google Photos, Google Contact. All of those data will be deleted as well. So in case you want to remove it, tap on delete and again tap on delete. Verify your identity by providing your passcode, and then your account will be removed from your device. So this is the process. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.